Here's a quick meal.
Pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, if you know, you know, paprika, Italian seasoning, you know, baby girl, okay. Mustard. Don't forget your egg.
Nobody does it like Sara Lee. You gotta fold it, you don't wanna stir it.
I like to add olive oil to the bottom of my pan.
So we need full coverage with the oil, so we're just gonna make sure the entire pan has oil. In the oven you go.
Smoked turkey meat for the green beans, baby.
What's really important is you season the water. While the food is cooking, I'm gonna clean up the dishes.
Oh, it's not hard to see. When I was feeling down.
It's starting to smell so good in here.
Ooh, they are looking so scrumptious.
Listen, Linda, this meal was the bomb. Let me know if you tried these quick and easy meals. Bye, guys.